Hello. Today I'm going to show you some new product. This is accessory for softbox. This is Cineroid flexible light, and this is FL800, and half size is FL400. Last time I show you the new softbox for this flexible light, and this is the softbox for this size FL800 softbox, and this is softbox for FL400. So this is a new softbox. Now today I'm going to show you grid or egg crate. This softbox make light more soft, and but still light go very wide. So if you want to send the light to straight more, then you can use this grid. So this is egg crate or grid. We call this grid. So there is many columns and send the light to front side only, like this. So let me show you how to install this grid on the softbox. So same way for FL800 or FL400, both are same. So this is already installed on softbox for FL800, and this is softbox for FL400. This is grid egg crate. Almost the same, but this is 400 and this is 800. So same size, but and this is the same with this one. And this is for this 400. So remove holder like this, and this is grid. So it's easy. Just put corner first time, and using Velcro attach this like this. Then another side and another side. So this is grid for FL800. FL800 is the same. So this is a grid or egg crate for softbox. This grid is not compatible with diffuser for FL800 or FL400. Only compatible with softbox FL800 or FL400. When you uninstall this grid, just easy. Take off corner side and corner side, flap. This. It's easy. So today, this one is accessory. So now this is available. You can order it now. Thank you.